Saturday afternoon, working on the truck. Got the locked up 305 on the trailer, ready to go to the scrap yard. Tailgate's going to the scrap yard. Hopefully I can put these saw blades, I've got a whole set of saw blade wheels on Marketplace. As long as the seat's fixable, I'm going to try to use it. I've also got another seat, so we can take our pick on which one's better. Parts cabs here at Rock Customs house. Got the bed of this truck pretty much cleaned out. And all the interior's pretty much out of it. And all new patch panels that come from the Basket Case Big 10, which is a 76 GMC heavy half that I'm going to put this cab on. So it was actually a parts truck or a truck I got from Rocky. So I'm going to try to get this thing together. It ain't too bad. We're going to have to fix some places. I got the front clip unbolted. It's ready to come off. And I got the cab unbolted. So we can start surgery on this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make some progress in the next couple weeks. Y'all stay posted. Thank you for watching.